Hello traders, in this video I want to talk about this beautiful project that we've been working on, building, testing after weeks and weeks and weeks, and it is finally ready to use. And every single one of you can just go into this platform, Trader Replay, link is in my description, and test the website yourself. I want to explain why you need this website and why every trader who views trading professionally needs the website. So what does this website do? Okay, this is basically journal. Every single trader needs to journal their trades, gather and collect data about themselves, their trading performance, where they and when they operate the best. Okay, so what are the trading days? Which are the pairs they are most profitable on? Like which session? What is your average risk to reward? The base trade, worst trade? So you literally need to gather data and analyze the data for you to understand what is your edge and when and how do you operate the best. Okay, so what this website does, you simply log your trades and the website does the rest. Okay, it literally analyzes and does everything for you for free as well. Everyone can check it out. Test the website, it is completely free. So in this video, I will explain how the website works. Okay, so how do you start? First of all, once you click start journaling free, you create your account, you choose your username, email, password, very simple. Okay, and once you create your account, then you sign in into your account. I already have my account and I'm gonna sign in into my account. Okay, so once you log in the website, first of all, what you will see is this 50K default funded account. Okay, so in order for this website to operate and work, you need to have at least one account here. Okay, so that's why once you log into the account and once it is fresh, you already have 50K funded account, which is default. Okay, so this is how once you log in, how it looks like. So if you want to test the website, so before you read your trades and log your trades and see how website works, you can simply click on this explore with sample data. Okay, and once you click this, okay, what the website will do is it will create the sample. Okay, wait a second. So what did this example with sample data do? It added the trades. Okay, automatically the website added the trades for you to test the website how it works. Okay, so once you have your account here, okay, once you have the account and you add and log your trades, this is what the dashboard will look like. In this case, it automatically added the trades, and now let's understand what the website this field does. Okay, so first of all, we have our dashboard. What does the dashboard show us? It shows us what is our streak. Okay, is it winning streak? Is it losing streak? It also shows us our average risk to reward, which is profit factor. So this is average risk to reward profit factor. It shows us the maximum drawdown, which means that what was your maximum drawdown from the peak of the account, which is very useful. It also shows us average win, average loss, the base trade, the worst trade, total number of trades, what is the average trades that you take per day. It also shows you average hold of the trade, and it also shows you expectancy. Okay, so it shows you basic information that every trader needs on the dashboard. Okay, and if you scroll down a bit, it also shows you the symbols. Okay, like in Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, you can add the symbols by yourself. Okay, whatever you need and whatever you trade, you can add the symbols. In this case here, it shows you took 10 trades on Nasdaq, 7 trades on Dow Jones, 6 trades on S&P 500, okay? And it shows you P&L on each of the symbols. And here is the recent trades, okay? So this is what dashboard shows you. And now let's understand how to log a trade. So let's say we want to add a trade. You simply go into the trade log. You simply click on the new trade and you log in the information about the trade. So this here, like whatever you see, you can actually customize it, whatever is the most comfortable for you. So let's say here, entry time, exit time, you do not want to see entry time and exit time because let's say you do not want to journal this and you do not need this data, right? So you can simply go in settings, okay? And here you see this here, these options. You can simply like make the trade log the most comfortable, how you need it, okay? You can actually add some stuff. So if you do not need notes, you can simply click this and you will not see notes. If you do not want to upload the trade images, you simply turn off this option and you will not see the trade images, okay? So this is like how you need it. You can actually specify it on your own. Okay, so for example, for me, I do not need the prices, the entry and exit price. That's why this is turned off. And based on your whatever you need, you can actually specify it in the settings. Okay, in the settings here. So yes, you simply log the trades. Okay, here you write the P&L. Let's say we won $800. What did we risk? We risked $250, and it automatically shows us what was our RR. Okay, risk to reward. You simply add and fill all the information that you need, and then you click Save Trade, and your trade will be saved and added to the dashboard. Okay, and the information will be updated. So also we have our calendar here. This calendar will show you like this, like we added the trade, right? So once we click this, we will have here the explanation of the trade, and we will have like information about the trade in calendar as well. Okay, then this is the best, like in my opinion, this is the most useful and beneficial for traders, the analytics field. Okay, once you click this here, this is the best information that you can get. Okay, so what do we see here? Okay, what does this page show us? It shows us what? First of all, look at this. What you can do once you log the trade. So once you log the trade, you can add here your strategy. Okay, let's say your strategy was SSMT plus 15 minutes fair value gap plus 1 minute confirmation. Okay, it depends on you, whatever you are using. Okay, so whatever the strategy you will use, you can name it. Okay, name it, and once you will log your trades, and your trades will be in huge amount, then you can go in analytics and you can see based on your strategy, okay, what was your performance? Okay, so in this case, this is sample data. So with trend continuation, breakout, range trade, and all of these strategies, what was your performance? Okay, and this is very, very useful because based on your strategy, whatever you are using, it shows you which strategy works the best for you, and it shows you that your edge, what is actually the best, whatever you are using. Okay, it also shows you what is your performance by emotion, where like what was your performance once you were confident, neutral, FOMO, tilted. Okay, so this is doing you analysis based on the emotions. It is also giving you information which sessions, like your performance based on sessions. Okay, so London pre-market, you had this performance. As you can see on London session, you have the best performance based on this sample data, the examples. Okay, so once you log the trades, the website will analyze everything for you. Okay, by sessions, by the strategies, emotions. It will also show you days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like which day of the week are you the best, and you can also add tags, and it will also analyze it by tags. Okay, so swing, scalp, and like you can create your own tags, and everything this is possible in the settings. Okay, in the settings. So first of all, let's say we want to add account. Okay, now let's delete this sample funded. Okay, let's delete this, remove, and let's say we actually want to add one account. Okay, so let's click. So you go, how do you add account? Okay, you go in settings tab and you see this account right here. You simply add account. Let's name it Lucid 50K. Type funded, live, paper, custom, it's up to you. Let's choose this funded, and let's do the starting balance 50K. Let's say we bought 50K Lucid account. Okay, once we create the account, we actually have Lucid here, and we can actually click on Lucid, and now everything will be like the dashboard, trade log, calendar, analytics, everything will be about this account. Okay, so now let's check what else do we have in settings. Okay, in settings, you can specify your trading time zone, because in the calendar, I mean in the analytics, it actually shows you the sessions, right? So because it shows you the sessions, you need to specify the correct time zone in your site, like in your country, okay, where you live. You have to specify your correct time zone in order for website to actually give you correct information about the trading sessions. You can also customize your P&L colors. So this is the calendar basically. So once you log in the trades, you can specify which colors you want. Okay, what should be the color of the profit, loss. So that you can literally customize everything. Okay, here this is how you add the symbols. Okay, so on default, this website is made for futures prop firms, but let's say you do not trade futures and you trade forex prop firms or CFD prop firms, okay, in other words. So instead of contracts, you can simply use lots, okay? So CFD prop firms use lot sizes. So here we even have that. So if you are not trading futures prop firms, you can switch it on lots and you will specify the lot sizes, okay? Here, how you should add the symbols. Very, very simple. You scroll down. Here you write, let's say, Euro USD if you are trading prop firm, and you simply add this. And now you will have here, let's say, one, and you will add it. And now you will have Euro USD in your symbols tag. So if you click now trade, you can see the Euro USD as well. So in the settings, you can literally specify anything you need, okay? I'm going to delete this because I don't need Euro USD. And yeah, this is basically the website, the basic stuff. And now I'm going to talk about what like crazy and very, very good features the pro plan of this website has. So for the free version, every single one of you can just go into this website and have only one account. So you cannot manage more than one account because the free version includes only one account. So you can create one account and journal and see the data about that only one account. Okay, but me personally, I am trading the prop firms and I have multiple accounts, right? So if I have multiple accounts, I'm gonna add like, so what does this website have? So let's say today I had 4 accounts like Top Step first account, second account, third, and fourth account. Okay, so let's say I have 4 Top Step accounts, and for me to enter the trades, like in 4 accounts, let's say I am copy trading, right? Copy trading. If I am copy trading, what will I have to do? I have to log trades in this Top Step first account, and once I log in the trade, then I have to click the second account and log in the trade into the second account. Then on third account, then on fourth account. No, in this website, what we have in the settings is, look at this, copy groups. Okay, so we can simply make the group. So this is what the pro version includes of this website. So what do we have? We can actually create the group. Let's say I have 4 Top Step accounts and I am copy trading the 4 accounts, right? So I am basically entering and exiting the same trades on both, like all of these 4 accounts. So I can simply create a new group. Me personally, I already created. I have it called Top Step 200K. And in this Top Step 200K, we can add the accounts that we want. Okay. In this case, I added 1, 2, 3, and 4 accounts. Okay. So what this does is that now, if I let's say open a trade on like these 4 accounts, any of these 4 accounts, which one is leader? Let's say the first one is leader. Okay. So once I log the trade here, let's say we won $700, we risked 150, and I like time, let's say 5 to 6. So let's say I log the trade. Okay. So once I log the trade into the one account, we can see that it is also added into all the accounts. Okay. So it will be added automatically in the all of the accounts which are in the group. Okay. So once I have this added, it is in all the accounts. Okay. All the accounts, which is actually inside the group. Okay. Copy group. So why do we need copy groups? We need copy groups because, like, let's say we have account, like we have on the dashboard, we actually have information about one account. Okay. So what if we actually needed the information and data and performance across all the accounts combined. Okay, let's say we have 4 accounts and we want to see data about like combined all of the 4 accounts. Okay, so Pro version includes portfolio. Once you click the portfolio, you will see here. So these are all the groups that we have. So let's say we choose the top step 200K because this is what the group was called. So you see this here. We have copy group, which is called top step 200K. Once you go in the portfolio tab, here you have top step 200K, and here it shows you performance combined all accounts. Okay, so whatever your performance is combined in the 4 accounts, it shows you total PNL. Okay, total, like everything combined. So why is it very, very useful? Okay, so let's say we have 4 accounts on Top Step, and let's say we created another 5 accounts on Lucid Trading. Then we created another 5 accounts for Apex Trader Funding. Then we created another 5 accounts for Alpha Trader. Okay, let's say we have multiple accounts on multiple prop firms. Okay, so if you actually want to see performance of all the prop firms, okay, whatever you have in your portfolio, all the prop firms, all the accounts, you can simply okay, create groups. You can call it Top Step Group, you can call it Alpha Trader Group, you can call it Apex Trader Funding, all the programs and accounts that you have. And once you have the groups, and once you have created the groups, you simply go in the portfolio, and in the portfolio, you simply click on all the accounts, and this will be your total, like all the groups and all the accounts across all prop firms. And also, you can choose like specific groups as well, the information and data. So this is why Pro version is very, very professional and very, very beneficial for traders who are like professional in trading, because we as a professional day traders, we actually use a lot of prop firms, and we need data about like maybe all of the accounts or specifically Top Step, specifically Alpha. So this like actually shows you literally everything. Okay. This is very, very useful. I'm going to also show you like beautiful features that we have. So here, once you go on dashboard, you can simply click share, and it shows you your information like this. Okay. Like this is very, very beautiful. If you like click your recap, it shows you information as well. And this is also very beautiful. So we have a lot of features that are very, very beautiful. If you also click portfolio, it also shows you like, if you click share portfolio, it shows you PNL across all the accounts, or maybe across the groups, the specific groups. So yeah, this is basically everything that you need about the website. So what I would suggest, just go on this website. Link will be in my description. Create your account. Like everyone can access one account for free. If you want to journal and gather data about, let's say, 150 account, you can actually create the account and edit the trades and see the dashboard, the analytics, and everything about your performance once you log the trades. And just simply go on the website, test the website, and if you will see any bug, you can simply here report a bug and give us feedback. So what you like, what you don't like. Okay. We also have here the billing. The Pro version is just one-time payment, $150, nothing crazy. Okay, you pay once and you have this website forever. For like, I think all traders who are professional actually need to see their performance on all the pro firms and all the accounts and all the groups. Okay, so this is the difference between the free version and Pro version. Free version is just you can manage one account, and on Pro version you can actually manage multiple accounts, multiple profiles, multiple groups, and you simply have data about your whole portfolio. Okay, all the profiles and all the accounts that you have. Okay. Yep, this was it for how to use the website. Make sure to check the settings, because from settings you can actually customize everything that you need. Here you add the accounts, here you add the symbols, and here you customize the trade log how you want. Okay, maybe you do not want entry and exit price. You simply turn this off. You will not see the entry and exit price in the trade log. Okay. Thank you guys for listening. Make sure to join our Discord, give us feedbacks, Okay, what you like about this website, what you do not like about the website, report the bugs. And yeah, we are also sharing a lot of stuff in our Discord. Wait a second, I'm going to show you. In our Discord, we are sharing the news. We are also giving the free analysis here. We are also live trading. We have live trading service where we literally trade every New York session in front of our students. Here are all the live trades that we are taking. So make sure to check our Discord. We will be sharing the news there. And here, if you click trade with us, you will find information about us, our live trading service, what is included, and everything that you need. Okay. Thank you guys for listening. And if you will have any questions, you can write in comments and I'm going to answer every single one of you. Thank you guys.